Hi everyone, welcome back to week 2 of camp. Happy Monday. Today we are going to be making boats. I'm super excited about this craft because this boat will actually be able to float in water. So what we need for this craft are a hole punch, scissors, you get straws, construction paper, a milk carton or cream carton, and some duct tape. Now the first thing we are going to do is we are going to cut out a side panel of our milk carton. So what that means is just one side we are going to completely cut out, and that is going to allow us to sit the boat in the water just like this. So let's get started. By the end, it should look like this. Now once that's done, you're going to take your duct tape and you are going to tape all the remaining sides. So that's this side, the bottom, the sides, and the front. So what I'm going to do is just take a few pieces and stick my duct tape on. This will ensure that our boat is waterproof. Now I'm going to do the rest of the boat and I'll catch you in a few. By the end, your boat should look something like this. Duct tape on all sides of your carton. Now the next thing we are going to do is create the sails. So we are going to take our piece of construction paper and we are going to fold it in half. Then we are going to take our scissors and cut along that fold. Now once again, folding it in a hot dog shape so it's nice and skinny. We're going to take our hole punch and in the middle punch out a hole. And that is where our straw is going to come through. So it looks like a nice sail. And then we are going to duct tape it to our boat. And there you have it. We've created our own sailboat. Now feel free to add an extra sail with the extra straw you have or keep it just like this. Don't forget to send your pictures and creations to efacca@nhsm.ca and try putting something in your boat and see how long it can float. I'll catch you tomorrow. Bye guys.